How to add a collection to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on your device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on saved. Now next to collections, simply tap on create me. Now type the collection name. Then tap on create at the top right corner. Now to add post to collection, simply go back. Now find the post you want to save. Then tap on three dots. Then tap on save. Now select the collection and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.